How to create a line in Affinity. Let's get into it. Start by coming over to the shape tool in your toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Next, come up to the rectangle settings at the top. If you click into the fill, you can change whatever colour you want your line to be. And if you click into the stroke, you can click on the transparency icon up here to get rid of any stroke colour that you might have there. Next, we need to start by drawing the line. All you have to do is click and drag across like so. And you can drag down and up to determine how thick you want this line to be. Obviously, the more you drag down, it will resemble more of a rectangle, but if you want a thin line, you can go for something like this. If you want to further customize this and give this rounded edges, you can do this by coming up to this corner setting up here, and you can choose the kind of edge that you want your line to have. So if I choose rounded here, and then click out of here, we can see that we've given this line a slight rounded edge. If at any point you want to adjust the size of this line, you just have to click into it, and then you can increase or decrease the size of it like this and fully customize it for what you need for your project. And that's all there is to it.